Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today let's make a cool video editing on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So first thing, you have to open the Capcut application, and here I already opened mine. Now you can choose either you want to start a new project or you use your previous project. So here I already have the project here. I already have the video and I want to make a cool edit on this video. So I want to add multiple effects just by going into this bottom line and go into the effects, go into the video effects, and now you can scrolling down, choosing which effects that we want to apply into this video. And I want to have this shake, and first click done and adjusting the length of the effect. I want to the shake effect is appear in the whole clip. And after that, I want to add more effect just by clicking the same way, video effects, and let's scrolling down, find out what effects that we can have here. I want to delete too. No, I think, yep, this one is kind of best. And after that, adjusting the length of this effect. And there is still a lot of space here. Let's add something, which is typewriting. Just go back into the first page, then you find this feature on the bottom line and go into the text. You know, go into the add text and type what you want to have here. Let's say shake. Okay, and after that you can go styling it by choosing what style that you want to have here, and as well as the animation that you want to apply. So okay, let's scrolling down, find out the animation that probably match with this. Okay, I think it's kind of cool. Alright, this is cool too. Okay, and then after that we can adjusting the duration of the animations too. Okay, don't forget to adjusting the position of this by like slide into the left side. Okay, and after that let's go edit the duration of the animation by drag into the right side to make it like longer, and after that just click done. Let's have a check. Okay, that's how to make cool edit on a Capcut. If you find that this video is really cool for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.